Okay, while we're out here, we're gonna take a look at these tomatoes as well. Well, let's see the long. Look at all these long yard beans. It's crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, there's so many here. And there's some in the back too. You see, it's like all over. You see, these, a whole bunch of them down there too. Anyway, we're gonna take a look at what else we have here. Tomatoes. I love these tomatoes. They are like candies, so sweet, and it doesn't really have that tomato taste. It's more like candy pop. And so sweet. It's like eating candies. It's different than has a different taste than the one you buy from the store. It's sweet, and it doesn't have that weird tomato taste to it. So we're gonna look at the mango progress here. So maybe a week or two ago, I had a video of this tree that was, leafing out. So it looks like the leaves are hardening up now. They're much more tougher than the young one. And then I guess among these tomatoes, there's a June plum in here, which is blooming right now. You see? So this is a Thai small variety. It doesn't really have any seeds. Ooh, look at this one. So it looks like I might have to bring them back into the greenhouse this year because I left it out here in the winter, and it kind of like, took down all the way down. Some of the trunk got infected by the cold and lost a couple foot on the top. So I'll have to bring it back in when it gets cold into the greenhouse. And this is the other mango tree. Very interesting. New leaves as well. Look at all the new leaves on top. And some of it, more new shoots are coming out. Some of these new shoots. And then the fruits are getting bigger. And some of this fruit are getting bigger. Okay, looks like this graft didn't take. See, it's turning black. Nope, no go. It's turning black. So this one seems to do something about it, but not quite sure yet. We'll see. So, new leaves, new shoots, and then fruits. And the other one is pretty big. So, you see, it's pretty big. So these are the new leaves. Okay, now I'm going to remove this leaf because it looks really somewhat infected with something here. So you can see. So I'm going to throw it away. So this other leaf too. Remove it. So it doesn't contaminate the rest of the tree. So looks pretty good. Everything looks really good, healthy, and so is this one.